guys, what's up? My name is Mruga Sonane and welcome to my YouTube channel. So first of all, thank you so much for watching this video. Do like and share this video and do subscribe to my channel. So today's video is about Q&A. I received some question on my Instagram story. So I'm gonna answer those questions today. So the first question is favorite drink. My favorite drink is any chocolate drink. Celebrity crush. The celebrity crush. My celebrity crush is Ian Somerhalder. Those who don't know him, he played the role of Damon in The Vampire Diaries. So the next question is favorite movie or series. My favorite movie is of course Harry Potter and my favorite series is The Vampire Diaries. So the next question is what is the common misconception others may have about you? Okay, so the most common misconception people have about me is लोगों को लगता है कि मुझ में बहुत एटीट्यूड है, मुझ में बहुत ईगो है. So guys, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. जिनको लगता है ऐसा है तो this is wrong. So the next question is what is your pet peeve? Okay, तो pet peeve क्या था मुझे भी पता नहीं था तो मैंने Google सर्च किया and those who don't know what is pet peeve is something which annoys you, जिससे आपको बहुत गुस्सा आता है. And my pet peeve is वो लोग जो बैक बिचिंग करते हैं, those who talk behind my back or those who talk behind others back. I really hate that thing. Okay, the next is who is the messiest person you have ever met? That is me. I am the messiest person. Okay, the next is when is your birthday? My birthday is on 29th November. Are you a cat person or a dog person? I am both. I like both. चश्मा आ गया देखो. हाँ भाई चश्मा आ गया मेरे को इसलिए पहन के बैठी हूँ. Okay, the next is do you have any kind of phobia? Yes, I have blood phobia. मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. I am very scared of blood. The last movie you watched? The last movie I watched was Enola Holmes. The last movie I watched was Enola Holmes. Do you drive? Yes, I do drive. I drive scooty, bike and car. Do you talk to yourself? Yes, of course. अभ्यास झाला का? This is my mother's question. What's your daily skincare routine? Okay, my skincare routine is like I don't follow any particular routine, but the thing is if you want good skin, clear skin, drink a lot of water, wash your face 3 to 4 times a day, and yeah, normal जो भी है. I don't have any particular routine. How do you manage your academics and passion together? By the way, your dance. Okay, thank you so much for the compliment first of all, and then I manage करने की मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती क्योंकि it's like जो चीज़ पसंद होती है वो अपने आप होते जाती है तो मुझे कुछ मैनेज करने की ज़रूरत पड़ती नहीं है. But yeah, first of all you have to decide what is your priority और उसके हिसाब से फिर you have to go. That's it. What is your favorite thing about someone in your family? Okay, so my favorite thing about someone in my family, yeah. So मेरे फैमिली में हम सिर्फ 3 लोग हैं, my mom, dad and me. और मुझे मेरे mom dad दोनों का like मेरी mom का favorite thing is she's like थकती नहीं है वो कभी. She never gets tired. So that's my one favorite thing. And my dad he's very patient. Like बहुत patience है उसमें. तो ये दोनों qualities मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Would you be rather clever or beautiful? ये question मुझे मेरे भाई ने पूछा है. So this is a difficult one. Would I be rather clever or beautiful? I guess clever. I think clever because अगर मैं क्लेवर रहूँगी तो लाइक अगर मैं क्लेवर हूँ तो अपने आप लोग मुझसे अट्रैक्ट होते हैं, क्लेवरनेस से लोग अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. सो या आई वुड बी क्लेवर. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज if you haven't joined any dance class, then how can you do it so perfect? Okay, first of all, I have joined dance class. I go to Bharatnatyam classes. Western के लिए कोई क्लास नहीं लगाया है. Classical dance class I do go. So thank you, तारीफ के लिए. The next question is, I love you so much. Can you explain why? This is my another friend Priya. So Priya, you love me so much because मैं हूँ प्यार करने वाला. Thank you. So guys, this was it. I hope you all had fun because मुझे बहुत मजा आया आप लोगों को questions के answers देते हुए. And do like and share this video and please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe कर दो यार, free है यार, please कर दो. So see you in the next video. और हाँ, ये वीडियो का part 2 भी आएगा. So stay tuned until my next video. And till then, bye bye. Love you all.